If you have any pet issues, call Chubby Chubby Carpet Cleaner.
We got called out to clean a carpet after another carpet cleaning company had just professionally cleaned it. No joke. Look what they left behind. They failed to vacuum or inform the customer to pre-vacuum. Look at them sprinkles. That's dog skin. That's pet dander. That's exfoliated skin. Protein. Disgusting. Protein is flesh. Everything biological breaks down, and as it does, it off-gasses odors. This house smelled like a dog pound upstairs in one room. Look at them thick clumps of hair. That came out after the CRB. Look inside the truck mount inline filter. Deep down in there's a bunch of hair, dog skin, and dead skin juice. I mean, look, that's dead skin juice right there. It's just disgusting. And it stinks. Ladies and gentlemen, listen up. Sometimes trying to save $1 can cost you more than you bargained for. We probably pulled out close to 4 to 5 pounds worth of skin, hair, and other nasties. Worst part about it is they had just hired another professional carpet cleaning company the week before. Look at this. This is after our cleaning, okay? The carpet looks good. Looks like it could last another 20 years. But it smells. This one's unbelievable. Wait till you see the wastewater that came out of a carpet that was professionally cleaned by another carpet cleaning company. And I don't mean just cleaned like last year. It was just cleaned like probably a week before we came and cleaned it again. Why would they have the carpet cleaned twice, you ask? Because the previous carpet cleaning company cleaned it without pre-vacuuming or instructing their customers to pre-vacuum, and one of the rooms exploded with dog pound smell. You heard me right. You know the SPCA, a kennel. Can you imagine what that was like? One room exploding with dog pound odor? So what caused that? I'll tell you what caused it. Exfoliated skin, pet dander, and dog hair. Dead skin from a dog and the hair built up to inordinate levels within the face yarn and the primary backing. Notice the color of the water coming out. It's like dead skin juice. Kind of looks milky, but it kind of looks gray. Take note that the water color looks the same from the very beginning to the end. So what we removed was tons and tons of dead skin. I mean tons and tons of dead skin. 79% of all soil in carpet is dry particulate. According to the IICRC's S100, the only way to remove that soil is by dry vacuuming. It's funny. The one thing pet owners don't do is vacuum their carpets daily. If you own a pet, you should be vacuuming your carpet 2 to 3 times a day. You heard me. I said 2 to 3 times a day. What if I don't do that? I'll tell you what happened. Your carpet's going to build up with a load level of dead skin that's just going to blow you away. It's a silica soil that's very fine, and the longer it sits there, the deeper it goes. We hope we got this job taken care of for the customer, but since the last company sat there and steam cleaned over all that mush, they drove it deeper into the face yarns, the primary, secondary backing, the padding, and possibly even the subfloor. Look, the watercolor hasn't changed. This is disgusting. So sometimes hiring the wrong company can cost you more than you bargained for, especially if you hired them based on the cheapest price. Our pet odor jobs go into the $1,500 to $2,000 range, and they go that high because people neglect their carpets to degrees that require that. If you've got a pet issue, check out the link below on our pet odor packages. And take note, there's only one package that is guaranteed, and we mean guaranteed. You will not smell a thing when we're done. Vacuum, vacuum, vacuum.
We're the pet odor experts.